Warm welcome to everyone on the IPO opening is going to be happen on 21st. So I will start with an history of the company, how the company is being formatted. जैसा आप लोग देख रहे हैं कि कंपनी 5 साल पुरानी लग रही है कि 2020 में कोऑपरेट हुई है, बट हिस्ट्री जो ग्रुप की है इट्स अ 50 ईयर ओल्ड ग्रुप कंपनी। कंपनी तो 5 साल की है लेकिन ग्रुप जो है वो 50 ईयर ओल्ड है। So, my father, the Mangila Lambalal Borana, the managing director and the chairman of the company, वो सूरत में 1979 में स्मॉल टेक्सटाइल ट्रेडिंग बिजनेस से चालू किया था उन्होंने। एंड इन 1983 व्हेन द इंडस्ट्रियल रिवोल्यूशन टेक प्लेस इन इंडिया इन टेक्सटाइल, तो वी पापा पार्टिसिपेट इन contributing 24 looms he started in that plant. So after converting that 24 till the 200 looms in 1992. In 1988 we joined the business after completing our graduation. तो हमने बिजनेस फैमिली बिजनेस को देखा, कम्प्लीटली समझा 3-4 साल तक, और उसके बाद 2005 में हम लोगों ने टेक्नोलॉजी चेंज लाई जो थोड़ी बहुत सूरत में आनी चालू हुई थी। तो हम लोगों ने वाटर जेट्स लाए थे 24, उसको हमने 2010 तक एक्सपांड करके 200 लूम्स तक हम लोग उसको ले गए थे। तो ये सब हमारी जर्नी रही थी जब हम लोगों ने ये सब स्टार्ट किया। और वो जब सब लूम्स थी वो सेकंड हैंड लूम थी, क्योंकि जस्ट वहाँ से साउथ कोरिया से आनी चालू हुई थी टेक्नोलॉजी चेंज में। फिर हम लोग 2020 में जो जनरली हम लोग विजिट्स करते हैं फेयर में वगैरह, तो वहाँ पे हमने देखा कि टेक्नोलॉजी काफ़ी चेंज हुई है वाटर जेट में। जो हम लोग रन कर रहे थे वहाँ पे और हमने जो चाइना में देखा था, इट्स अ गेम चेंजर लुकिंग बाय द वे ऑफ द कॉस्ट इफेक्टिवनेस इन द कैपिटल एंड इवन एफिशिएंसी एंड हैविंग एन वर्सेटिलिटी इन द मेकिंग द फैब्रिक्स। तो व्हेन वी केम बैक टू इंडिया और हमने प्लान किया कि हम लोग ये मतलब एक अपॉर्चुनिटी लग रही है जो एक गेम चेंजर हो सकती है, तो वी इंस्टॉल ordered 144 looms and we started this company Borana Views, और उसमें हम लोगों ने 144 looms ये इंस्टॉल किए थे। और जो हमने वहाँ पे देखा था और जो समझा था, दैट वी गेट ऑन द फ्लोर बाय द वे ऑफ द फ्लोर एफिशिएंसी, कॉस्ट इफेक्टिव एंड द वर्सैलिटी एंड द बेटरमेंट ऑफ द प्रोडक्ट। तो उसमें हम लोगों को जो सक्सेस मिला, तो एवरी ईयर वी स्टार्टेड द ग्रोइंग इन दैट। तो 21-22 में हमने 144 लूम किया था, 22-23 में हमने अगेन 256 लूम इंस्टॉल किए, 23-24 में अगेन हम लोगों ने 300 लूम्स इंस्टॉल किए, और टुडे वी आर रनिंग कैपेसिटी ऑफ अराउंड 700 लूम्स। सो दिस इज द कंपनी हिस्ट्री एंड ग्रुप हिस्ट्री। और नाउ आई एम कमिंग टू द बिजनेस मॉडल व्हाट द कंपनी इज डूइंग। कंपनी स्पेशली ओनली ग्रे फैब्रिक अनब्लीच बनाती है, दैट इज ऑल्सो नोन एज अ रॉ मटेरियल। Before having any end use of raw material like for the kurti, shirting, sarees or tent or you may say for the home furnishing, उसके पहले कोई भी फैब्रिक को ग्रे होना जरूरी होता है। तो वी आर मेकिंग दैट अनब्लीच्ड ग्रे फैब्रिक। दैट ग्रे फैब्रिक गो टू द प्रोसेस हाउस फॉर द फर्दर प्रोसेस एज पर देयर एंड यूज। And as you are aware that the Surat is the Manchester of the textile of India. The 90% of the synthetic produce in the India is produced in Surat only, because Surat having a vast experience and the capacity to process all the fabrics. In Surat around there is a 500 process house which are processing maximum synthetic fabric in the Surat. And in Surat, as you are aware, there is some scattered business centers. Some of is having a weaving, some of having a texturizing, some of is having a process house, some of is having this coating machine, some of is with having an embroidery machine. So it's a scattered business. So now coming to the point कि जो हमारा जो ग्रे फैब्रिक है वो हमारे मैन्युफैक्चरर है वो लोग बाई करते हैं, उसको फिर अपने प्रोसेस हाउस में वो लोग बेचते हैं, और एज पर देयर एंड यूज उसको मटेरियल को रेडी करके ऑल ओवर इंडिया और एक्सपोर्ट उसको करते हैं अकॉर्डिंगली। तो दिस इज द कंप्लीट बिजनेस मॉडल विथ व्हाट वी आर रनिंग एट प्रेजेंटली। थैंक यू। नाउ आई हैंड ओवर टू विरल वोरा to have an presentation on our slides and everything.
Hi, good morning. Welcome you all on behalf of Borana Limited. I will go through this investor presentation in a very brief and swift manner. Sir, Borana Limited is in synthetic fabric industry. This slide depicts the growth of synthetic fabric industry over a period of time across the globe. Synthetic fabric industry consists of two things, synthetic fibers and the blended yarn. The present slide shows the evolution of synthetic fabric industry over a period of last 7 years. Synthetic textile industry forms a very huge component of the export of India. The present slide shows the export outlook of synthetic textiles industry. This is what is for which we all are gathered here. This is a brief synopsis of what Borana Waves Limited is catered to. We presently have 700 water jet looms and the other machineries. We are basically situated in Surat, the textile hub for synthetic industry. This slide shows the key facts and figures of Borana Waves Limited. We are presently having 666 employees, 3 manufacturing units. Our annual installed production capacity is 23 crore 32 lakh 80,000 meters. We presently have 700 water jet looms, 15 texturizing machines, 10 folding machines, 6 warping machines. Our FY24 financials are revenue 199.05 lakhs, EBITDA 41 crores and PAT 23.58 crores. In percentage terms, our ratios are ROE 49%, ROC 27%, EBITDA margin 21% and PAT margin around 12%. These are our main achievements and milestones. We incorporated in 2021, started Unit 1 with annual capacity of 4 crore 66 lakh 56,000 meters in 21-22. Established Unit 2 with annual production capacity of 8 crore 94 lakh 24,000 meters in 22-23. Established Unit 3 in 23-24 with annual production capacity of 9 crore 72 lakh meters per annum. The present slide shows our board of directors. Mr. Mangilal Ambalal Borana, Chairman and Managing Director. Mr. Ankur Mangilal Borana, Executive Director and CEO. Mr. Rajkumar Mangilal Borana, Executive Director and CFO. The present slide shows the list of our independent directors. Mr. Kanav Shyam Sundar Arora, Mr. Arvind Kumar Rathi, Ms. Nikita Abhishek Soni. These are the two verticals wherein which Borana Waves Limited operates. First, grey fabric and second, PTY yarn. Our FY24 contribution of grey fabric in total revenue is 72.17%. Our PTY contribution for FY22 is 52 crore 60 lakhs. The present slide shows our 3 operating units. Unit 1 comprises of 144 water jet rooms. Unit 2 comprises of 256 water jet rooms. Unit 3 comprises of 300 water jet rooms. This slide shows the area in which all the 3 units are established. Unit 1 is established in 3,180 square meters. Unit 2 is established in 7,224 square meters. Unit 3 is established in 7,224 square meters. The present slide shows our capacity utilization at a glance. You can see from the slide that Unit 1 as on December 31st, 24 is operated at around 98% capacity. Unit 2 is operated at around 64% capacity. Unit 3 is operated at around 84% capacity. This is what Borana is coming up with, our proposed Unit 4, which will have an annual production capacity of 11 crore 27 lakh 52,000 square meters. It will be an incremental 48% capacity, and if we consider the total capacity, then it will be 32% of the total installed capacity. It is spreaded in 10,836 square meters of area. This is our category-wise revenue breakup. The grey fabric contributed 45% in FY22 and PTY contributed approximately 51% of total revenue in FY22. The same replica in December 24 stands at 84% of grey fabric and 14% of PTY. This slide shows our key financial highlights. Our total income as on December 24 stands at 215.70 crores. EBITDA stands at 46 crores and PAT stands at 29 crores. Our EBITDA margin as on December 24 stands at 21.75 crores with a PAT margin of 13.85 crores. This slide shows our key financial ratios. ROE stands at 38%, ROCE stands at 27%, debt to equity stands at 0.70 times, The DSCR stands at 4.48 times. Current ratio as on December 24 stands at 2.19. Receivable turnover ratio stands at 28 days. EPS stands at 14.70. NAV stands at 38.40. This slide shows the synopsis of our profit and loss over a period of last 3 years and 9 months period during the current year. I have gone through the ratios and key numbers in the previous slides. This slide shows the structure of our balance sheet for the past 3 years as well as the 9 months period for the current year. The key ratios have already been shown in the previous slides. The present slide shows our cash flow. We are pleased to inform that in December 24, our net cash flow is positive. This slide shows our key customer contribution across all the years. You can see that in FY22, our top 5 contributed 22% and the top 10 contributed 30% of our total revenue. As on December 24, the same figure is 25% and 40%. This is the key contribution to operational performance for PTY Yarn. The same stands at 53% as of FY22 and now as on December 22 it stands at 15%. This slide shows our SWOT analysis, our strengths, our weaknesses, opportunities and threats. This is what makes Borana views a unique company in itself, our competitive strengths. We are Surat-based makers of unbleached synthetic grey fabric. We have strategic units with water jet looms for uniform textured fabric. We are delivering strong financials and operating metrics. We have experienced promoters with exceptional execution capabilities. These are our key business strategies. We capture market opportunities in the growing synthetic fiber industry. We expand customer base and increase wallet share with existing clients. We leverage water jet loom technology for expanding into technical textiles. Dear investors, this is what we all have been gathered here. Why you all should be a part of our company. We are cost efficient. We have integrated manufacturing facilities. We are strategically located in market position. We are in growing market opportunity. We focus on technical textiles. We have customer-centric approach. We have innovation in product offerings. We have sustainability, and we also perform CSR initiatives. Over to Neville.
Thank you very much. So if we go through the issue highlight, this is an entirely a fresh issue of 67 lakh 8,000 equity shares at a lower price band of 205 and upper price band of 216, and it will be in a lot of 69 shares and in multiple thereof. The total issue size is constituting 144.89 crores. As a result, the post-issue market cap will be 575.54 crores. The issue is going to be open on 19th, that is for the anchor, and for all other investors, it's going to be open on 20th and going to be closed on 22nd. Here I would like to draw the attention that this is opened under regulation 6.2, so minimum 75% is QIB. So out of 144 crores, 108 crores will be committed by the QIB, 15% from the HNI, and only 10% from the retailers. Okay. And the object of the issue is divided broadly into three parts. Out of 144 crores, 71 crore 34 lakhs will be deployed towards an expansion of a manufacturing unit. That will be the fourth unit. Right now, the company is already having a 700 water jet looms. Post deployment of this fund, company will be having around 1,050 water jet looms. The second object is to cater the incremental working capital of 26 crore, which will be deployed towards only a working capital. And as you've gone through the financials, company is having a term loan of around 35 crores. Tentative borrowing will be around 35 crores. The third object is towards a GCP, where company is planning to deploy somewhere in a power project, as around 7 to 8% of the cost of the expenses is from the power. All the company is getting right now a subsidy of rupees 2 rupees per unit, already getting it, but somewhat solar they would be going from the GCP. So that's what from our end, and it's ready for Q&A session if you have.